As you can already see, it has a super OEM finish to it, and it just goes into the side over here just beneath the dash, and it completely blends in color with the OEM finish of our trapdoor. And that is why I really like this. The install is super easy, and I'm going to rate this at 3 on 10 in the difficulty scale. The next step is to access the OBD port. First things first, you need to remove this one, and this one. They're just held by clips, nothing to worry, just remove them. Two. Third one is there is a small little plastic clip which is over here. We can remove that and then remove this too. And then all you need to do is just pull this back, nothing to worry, there are just clips there, and that is where you access the OBD port, which is in there. And all you need to do is sort of bring it in there, slide it in, and press it down, and that's that. That's it. Look at that OEM look to it.